One of my students, a Linux engineer with 8 years of experience, was using ChatGPT every single day to prep for his job interviews. Smart guy, good resume, but he kept getting stuck at the final round. Then he switched tools. Tools? What? AI tools. So within 3 weeks, he had an offer. The tool he switched to was Claude. Now, I'm not here to tell you one is better than the other. I'm here to help you make the right choice for your career, because they are genuinely different, and using the wrong one for the wrong task, quietly costing it professional time every single day. Hi, I'm Imran Afzal. I have helped thousands of people build successful IT careers, and today I help professionals grow through IT career coaching, corporate upskilling, and AI productivity workshops. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which AI tool to use and when, so you can work faster, prep smarter, and stay ahead in your career. Here is the myth I want to bust right away. Most people think ChatGPT and Claude are basically the same thing. Just different names on the same box. No, they are not. Think of it like this. ChatGPT is like a Swiss Army knife. Versatile, widely known, connected to the internet, and can be used for many other small tasks. Now, on the other hand, Claude is more like a precision scalpel. Focused, sharp, and exceptional at deep reasoning and long documents. Both are powerful, yes, but you wouldn't use a scalpel to open up a box, right? So let's start with ChatGPT, because it still leads in a few important areas for IT professionals. First, real-time web access. If you need to look up the latest AWS pricing, for example, or a new Kubernetes release, or what certifications employers are looking for right now, for example, ChatGPT with browsing turned on is your friend, folks. Second, image generation, and that is with DALL-E. If you're creating training materials, documentation, visuals, or slides for a presentation, useful, very useful. Go with ChatGPT. Third, plugin and ChatGPT ecosystem. ChatGPT has a large library of custom GPTs built for specific tasks. There's one for resume reviews, one for mock interviews, one for AWS prep. That's a real advantage if you know how to use them. According to a survey by Stack Overflow, ChatGPT remains the most widely used AI tool among developers. Over 62% reported using it regularly. So if you are working in a team environment, familiarity matters too, of course. But here's what most people don't realize about Claude. Claude has a 200,000 token context window. In plain English, I'll tell you, you can paste an entire technical document, a full job description, your resume, and all three of those notes all at once, and ask Claude to analyze everything together. ChatGPT, it will start forgetting things halfway through. Trust me, a long conversation it can't handle. I have seen it happen during mock interview preps. The AI literally loses track of what the candidate said earlier. Claude doesn't do that. All right, second, writing quality. If you are crafting a cover letter, LinkedIn summary, or a promotion proposal, or for example, an email to your manager asking for a raise, Claude writes more naturally, more thoughtfully, and with much more depth. My student, the one I mentioned at the start, he was using ChatGPT to write his interview follow-up emails. They were technically correct, but felt robotic. We have to be careful nowadays how our response sounds. So we switched to Claude. The hiring manager actually replied and said, and here's a quote that what he said, "Your follow-up was the most impressive we received." All right, let's talk about the third one, reasoning through complex problems. And of course, we are talking about Claude. If you are troubleshooting a multi-layer Linux issue, for example, designing a network architecture, or thinking through a cloud migration strategy, Claude's reasoning is deeper and more structured. So here's how I tell coaching clients to think about it. Use ChatGPT when you need current information from the web, quick task automation with plugins, or image generation. Now, use Claude when you need to analyze a long document, write something that needs to sound human, think through a complex technical or career problem, or have a detailed back and forth conversation. The surprising part, folks, the best IT professionals I coach are using both, switching between them like tools in a toolbox, not loyal to one, strategic about which one to open. I use ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. I have license for all three chatbots, all three of them. You're probably thinking, why? Because they're all the same. No, they are not. So folks, quick question for you. And I want you to reply in the comment. Which AI tool are you using most right now in your IT work? And what are you using it for? And trust me, I read every comment and I might feature your answer in a future video. I kid you not, because I take my students' feedback very seriously. So here's what I want you to do right now. 3 things. 1, if you haven't tried Claude yet, go to claude.ai and sign up for free. Paste your resume and a job description you are targeting and ask it to identify the gaps. You will be surprised what you find. Okay, number 2, if you're serious about using AI as part of your IT career strategy, check out my course, Complete Python with AI Skills to get your dream IT job, and that is on my website, utclisolutions.com. You can also find the link in the description. All right, number 3, stop thinking of AI as one tool. Start thinking of it as a toolbox that has a lot of tools in it. The IT professionals who will thrive in the next 5 years aren't the ones who picked a side. They are the ones who learn how to use every tool wherever possible and for which job. So folks, if you learned anything from this video, then I request you to please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's keep learning together.